If you ever have an FBA shipment that you can't find inside of SoStock, but you know for a fact that you've created this FBA shipment inside of Seller Central, we have a feature where you can actually pull that data from Amazon. What you want to do is you want to go to your orders page here and then go up to FBA shipments. Now, normally what happens is we're going to pull FBA shipments from your Seller Central account twice per day per our scheduled API data pulls, which I'll talk about later at the settings page. If for some reason Amazon doesn't give us that FBA shipment on our API pull, typically it's because either there's a glitch on Amazon's end with their API report, I should say the FBA shipment report, or we've also noticed that they've added this new column or this new status to FBA shipments that's called ready to ship. Now you can see here the AMZ status. Typically it'll be in working status or shipped status or in transit or receiving or checked in or what have you. But they've added this new one recently called ready to ship. And when it's in ready to ship status, they actually don't tell us, which is very strange. So the only way to find this is we actually added a new feature, which is fetch and update FBA shipment. Now you can only do this one at a time per FBA shipment. You cannot do this in bulk. So again, this is for specific FBA shipments that you know the FBA shipment ID, but it's not being sent to us on the API report. And what you need to search for is the FBA shipment ID, not the FBA shipment name, but the actual ID. It always starts with FBA and then followed by a series of numbers and letters. So you'll want to copy that from your Seller Central account, come up here to the bulk actions and fetch and update. Click the fetch and update button. And this will actually search your Seller Central account and find that FBA shipment. Once it finds it, then you can search here and it will show up. Okay, now this one was already in my system. I don't have any that we haven't found, but I'm just using this as an example of how the process works. So again, come up here, go to fetch and update, and then search, find it, it'll pull, and then you can search here and find it. And then once you're here, you can reconcile it or you can do whatever you need to. Cheers.